Nanotechnology is the science, engineering, and manipulation of matter on a very small scale, typically at the nanometer scale. 1 nanometer equals 1 billionth of a meter. It involves the design, production, and application of materials, devices, and systems with unique properties and functions that arise from their small size. Nanoparticles are tiny particles with dimensions between 1 and 100 nanometers, and nanomaterials are materials that contain nanoparticles or have structural features at the nanoscale. There are many different types of nanomaterials, including nanoparticles. These are tiny particles with dimensions between 1 and 100 nanometers, and can be made from a variety of materials including metals, semiconductors, and polymers. Nanotubes. These are cylindrical tubes made of carbon or other materials, with diameters on the nanometer scale. Nanowires. These are tiny wires with diameters on the nanometer scale, typically made from semiconductors or metals. Quantum dots. These are tiny crystals made of semiconducting materials, with dimensions on the order of a few nanometers. Nanocomposites. These are materials that contain nanoparticles or nanofibers, and can have enhanced properties such as increased strength, stiffness, or conductivity. Some important applications of nanomaterials include medicine. Nanoparticles can be used as drug delivery systems to target specific cells or tissues, or as imaging agents for diagnosis. Electronics. Nanomaterials such as carbon nanotubes and nanowires have unique electrical and optical properties that can be used to make faster, smaller, and more efficient electronic devices. Energy. Nanomaterials can be used to make more efficient solar cells, batteries, and fuel cells. Environmental remediation. Nanoparticles can be used to remove pollutants from water or air, or to break down organic waste. Materials science. Nanomaterials have unique mechanical, thermal, and chemical properties that can be used to develop new materials with enhanced performance. In the future, nanomaterials are expected to have even more diverse applications, from advanced sensors and actuators to new materials for space exploration. However, it is important to consider the potential environmental and health impacts of nanotechnology as well, and to develop safe and responsible ways to use these materials.